In this video, you are going to learn how to make $60 per hour just by testing websites online. But before talk about that, if you are new here and wants the best way to earn money online, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Now let's get into the video. UserTesting.com is a website that helps big companies like Walmart, Facebook, Airbnb, Apple and lots of others test their website, and they can test a website to see if it is innovative and easy to use, and they will pay normal people like you and me to test their website. Now click on get paid to test on upper right corner here. So as you can see right here, you can earn $10 per test. Just visit a web page or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thought out loud, and then you get paid $10. So you have to just sign up and then you just need to verify your email address. I just wanted to show you that this method is legit, and I just searched up user testing review on Reddit and someone asks, is usertesting.com legit? Has anyone tried it and actually been paid? What's the catch? And let's see here. It sure is legit. I made few $100 in 2016 doing it. I really enjoy it and I always receive 4 to 5 star and positive feedback. I would like to be doing it full time, but I only seems to manage 1 or 2 tests in week and sometimes nothing at all. Okay, so that's good. Is usertesting.com legit? Yes. Has anyone tried it and actually been paid? Yes, many times. What's the catch? There is no catch. People need the work done, so we are paid to do it. Also, some people are making $60 in just 60 minutes. So I found this as well. Made $60 in 60 minutes with user testing today, blown away. So you can actually make $60 in 1 hour just by doing this. And yes, this is the proof right here. So checking that out. $60 right there for just 1 hour of work. So let's see comments here. Please let us know if you got paid in your payment processor. I don't think that your proof is already a proof. Okay, so they are actually saying that, oh, that's fake. Here he says not OP, but let's check the link. And here he is receiving some payments from user testing website in his PayPal account. So it's really nice. People are getting paid. And here there are some people saying that it's legit. I have made hundreds on there. So it's good method to earn money online. Now you just need to verify your email address. So just go to email and there you will see complete your application button. Click on that to move forward. You have to download screen recorder for you to record your screen and also voice so that you can actually upload that video to user testing server. So download screen recorder and install it. After installation, click on continue. And right here we can see a sample video that how can we actually do this. This video is to get an idea and it's really simple. Okay, click on launch recorder, open user testing. Let's see how it's look. Here microphone checking. Okay, next. So this is what we need to do. Find a quiet place, hides any window you don't want to record that. Continuously speaking your thoughts out loud. Try to complete each task. So I am going to try this right now. Start recording. Just writing some funny answers. So I have now done the test and it was just easy, going through couple of things, and it was quite nice. And here what specially made it easy or difficult for you to find what you are looking for. And here we have to upload this video to user testing server. Uploaded successful. So this is for thanking me to complete the test. Now we are done with the user testing and we have the only thing to do is to wait for them to send us email, and then we will get tasks that we need to complete, and that's it. There are so many people that are making hundreds of dollars a week just by doing tasks on this site. Just speak on their own mind and share their own thoughts, and that's why it is one of the best method to earn money online, because if you don't have a lot of time you can do some of these tasks and you will get some money from this. And the only problem with this method is that you have to rely on getting the jobs, and imagine that there are few participants to test websites, so it might be a little dry. So that's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and also click the bell icon. Also share this video. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.